and welcome to Nikki T Real You. I am Nikki, and today I am going to show you how to make a smoothie that is going to be hyper nourishing your body. I use this smoothie throughout the day so that I can get the most nutrients in my body the quickest way without having to chew it all up. It just goes straight down, easy to digest. So let's get into it. All right, you're going to first have your blender, a high-speed blender. I have a Vitamix. This blends very well. I'm going to mix 3 cups of spinach, any kind of green, spinach, kale, green mix, any salad mix that you have, any green. I just happen to have spinach, so let's mix this in. All right, so there is the spinach. Next, you're going to add flaxseed by it whole and then grind it up as you use it. Otherwise, it doesn't have the same nutrient value. So I already grounded up my flaxseed. So I'm going to add that in here. I'm going to add, there we go, 3 cups of water. I'm going to blend that up first before I add my fruit. Okay, so that's blended up really nice. Then I'm going to add the last ingredient, which is my fruit. It's 2 cups of whatever fruit you like. This is pineapple and mango. Go ahead and put that, and it's frozen pineapple and mango. Uh-oh, really? Oops. All right, I'm gonna put that top back on there. I'm gonna blend it. All right, it's all blended. I'm going to try it. It's nice and smooth. I just want you to see how nicely it's blended. Oh man, that's amazing. You would think that it tastes very green because I put a lot of spinach in it, but the fruit really helps it out, and the flaxseed helps it out, and it tastes delicious. What you want to do is drink all of that today. All of that, and do this as often as you like. You can do this twice a day if you like, and then eat a meal, or do it once and eat, your meal. But you want to try to add this as much as possible because this gives you a lot of nutrients that we don't get in a lot of our food that we eat because most of it's processed. So try to add as much greens or as much fruits and vegetables as you can. This is the perfect way to do it. Let me know what you think. Try it, come back, comment, let me know. Oh, and don't forget, subscribe, like, comment, share.